Hi Cancers, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Cancers. Let's see what's coming up, guys. We'll be picking a few cards, guys, for your daily energies. So these are for your daily energies, guys, and I'll be picking cards for your career situation and your relationship, guys. We will open the cards as we proceed into the reading, guys. This is for your career situation, Cancers, and this is for your relationship, guys. So we will turn these cards now. It's Seven of Swords, Four of Swords, and Ace of Pentacles. So with these cards, guys, the energy is that some new beginnings are happening, guys, in your life. Maybe this may relate to your career situation or your personal life. Some new beginning or some successful venture, something that gives you great prosperity and abundance, security, wealth, and well-being that is coming towards you. So all your hard work, your efforts, whatever you were putting in, that is coming into reality, guys, and you're happy for it. That is what I see. Some kind of success, that sense of fulfillment and happiness is there in your situation today. This may relate to your career or your personal life. And also for some of you, you are taking time to think, contemplating within yourself what are your strengths, what are your weaknesses, and what is your next plan of action. Again, this may also relate to your career situation or your relationship, guys. So that is what I see. Maybe you have put in great efforts, your time and efforts in your work, guys, and you have reached this success. And maybe today you are simply tired. You just want to give up all these responsibilities, these burdens. You just want to escape from them, take rest, maybe. Or you may have people in your life, in your career or in your personal life, people trying to use you, maybe rob you of your efforts, your skills, trying to use you for their benefit. So you need to be really careful, guys. And also there may be people trying to grab your opportunities or literally trying to rob you of some things, maybe some belongings. So you need to be careful today, Cancers. That is what I see with these cards. Let us see what is the card for your career situation. Yang. With this card, guys, the energy is that this is the time for great action, guys. So all that efforts, just like the previous cards, we saw that I was speaking about some kind of tiredness because of these efforts. And you are having that power to make things happen, guys, that power of action, creative activity in your work situation. So maybe you are beginning some projects, some partnerships, some business opportunities. So all that things that were hindering you, some obstacles or some situations. So all that you are simply going to just crash through, make it happen, make it reach that accomplishment. So you can you have that vitality, that spirit, confidence, and that effort to make things go towards success, guys. And success is within reach and it is waiting for you to claim it, guys. That is what this card is about. So this is the time for you to make that efforts. So you have to let go of that fear, maybe because of some obstacles or because of your past failures. Maybe for few of you, you may feel that your attempts may go to waste. So you need, because of you trying again and again, not reaching success may worry you, may stress you, and you may have that low self-esteem. So this card speaks against it. So you have to make those efforts, guys. Give up that stress related to your past and have that faith in this present situation. Give up that fear and go for that effort, and success will be within your reach. That is what this card is about for your career situation, Cancer. Let us see what is the card for your relationship, guys. Orphaned. So with this card here, guys, the energy for you is that in your relationship, maybe you feel that there is some kind of separation, some kind of loss in your situation, guys. You are not certain about your place in this connection. So maybe in this relationship, you may not have that sense of belonging with this person. Maybe that deep understanding you may not have in this with this person. Maybe you feel that you are drifting apart, both of you. The reason may be because both of you are in different stages of your personal growth, guys. So maybe in this new relationship, you are not sharing that same values or beliefs, and you feel left out. You are unable to make that intimate connection with this person. That sense of belonging, that may not be there. So you need to understand that things are happening for the better, guys. So whatever is good for you, that is what is happening right now. So you don't have to compromise yourself to belong to this other person. It won't be worth it, guys. So whatever you are supposed to be getting, all that is destined will come towards you at the right time. So you don't have to compromise yourself to belong with this person, to be in this connection with this person. So you have to go for that truth. If you can connect with this person truthfully without changing your beliefs or ideals, whatever you have within yourself, you can go for it. But you have to, when you have to compromise yourself to be in this relationship, it is not that connection is not built on truth, guys, and that may be the reason that you are not able to get that understanding and this intimate deep connection with this person. So that is what this card speaks about, and that is the reading for you all today, Cancers. Thank you for watching this video. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, Cancers.